In this video, I'll show you how to use the travel portal on the Gold Card in Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Make sure you have an active Gold subscription and an approved Gold Card. Tap your profile icon in the bottom corner, then go to Menu and select the Gold Card section. From there, look for the Travel or Travel Portal option and tap on it. This will open the booking section where you can search for flights, hotels, or rental cars. Enter your destination, travel dates, and other details, then tap Search to view available options. Browse through the results and select the option that fits your plan. Once you choose your booking, review the details carefully, including price, dates, and traveler information. Then proceed to check out and select your Gold Card as the payment method. Confirm the booking, and your trip details will be saved in the app or sent to your email. You can return to the travel section anytime to manage bookings, check confirmations, or view rewards related to your trip. Using the portal may also give you extra benefits or rewards depending on current offers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.